Hello guys, my name is Chris Wenzler, Product Specialist here at Heritage Ford. This week we're going to be spotlighting this 2015 Taurus SHO. This particular Taurus SHO comes with the 3.0 twin turbo EcoBoost, which produces 365 horsepower. Along with showcasing this vehicle this week, we're also going to do a virtual test drive as we do every other week here at Heritage Ford. Folks, let's jump in and give her a ride. This thing has not been through service yet. It has a little bit of touch-up to do, but folks, she pretty much is standing tall. She drives like a dream and really boasts a lot of room. We're just going to go on our standard drive. Hope all you guys are having a good week, enjoying some of the sunshine we have today. This car's got just a little under 75,000 miles on it. Don't really get these all that often. When we do, they're pretty quick sellers. Well, I reckon this test drive this week's going to be a little bit longer. Dropping the kiddos off from school. School bus just ahead of us. And we should be able to go regular speed here. Pretty bumpy road right here, but boy, you sure just don't feel it. This car here is well equipped with navigation, heated, cooled seats, all the creature features that really make people happy to own, or proud to own, the Taurus product. pick up a little bit of speed here. Feel a little bit of the twin turbo there. Getting ready to take our right turn roundup back to home base, Heritage Ford, located in Corydon, Indiana. You guys, my name is Chris Wenzler, Product Specialist. Thanks for a little bit of your time, and if you guys aren't in the middle of anything, come on by, take a test drive, and we can show you what we got. You guys, thanks for your time.